Hey team! Happy you're back tuning in. In this visual story, 176 divided by 176, which equals 1, and 176 divided by 176 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 176 divided by 176 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 176 divided by 176, and we can write this part as 1 over 176 divided by 176. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 176 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 176, which equals 1 over 30,976, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.